Hello, dear ladies and gentlemen. Today we'll speak about the Botafogo in Samba. We have two different ways of doing the Botafogo. The first one is using the cruzado walk, and the second one is with using the volta. So, we will start with the volta. We are doing the volta action, basic action bounce, then moving myself to diagonal. Then I'm changing, with the hip action, I'm changing the direction. Volta, moving to the side and changing the direction. I can do it almost on one place if I want. Volta and changing. Volta and changing. This one we're using usually when we're dancing in a couple and girl is doing some kind of turns, If you know the figure rocks, for example, when we're touching our girl with a hand and we're creating the rotation, we can use this kind of Botafogo. Rotate the girl and catch her. Rotate the girl and catch her. The second one is using the cruzado walk. This one is better for the movement. I'm staying diagonal and I'm doing the cruzado step. 1, and then I'm moving almost in front, pushing my way to the forward leg, changing the direction and changing the focus almost in the last moment. Boom. Cruzada, forward, and change. This position is almost the same like in cruzado steps. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. And we have the backward Botafogo. In the backward Botafogo, you need to understand that we must put our backward step on the heel, like this. Letting cross position, heel on the floor, bounce action, moving to the side, and pushing from there. Again, to the full flat foot. And 1 and 2. And 1 and 2. And 1 and 2. Here we can change our focus, or we cannot. It's up on us. Thank you for your attention.